Alright, we are starting another challenge on my Discord server. It is by no means a Clint challenge, but it is a fun challenge. This time it will be a sequential challenge, and what it means is that we have 3 different sections, and the winner of each section, the result will get passed on to the next and to the next. We also have amazing prizes to give away for the first time in our challenges, and we have amazing judges who will judge your work. So we will be recreating this asset, which is a coffee pot. It has some interesting modeling challenges. From all the submissions, the best model will be passed on to the surfacing part, where the artists will get that same model and they will be using Mari Painter, Photoshop, or even MS Paint if they want to create amazing textures and use their application of choice to do the look depth on it. It needs to be as close as possible to the reference images provided. And the winner of the surfacing part will get a prize, obviously, but his textures and shaders will be passed on to the lighting and rendering stage, where the artists are being asked to match the asset into a certain plate. It needs to be fitting. It is kind of a VFX integration exercise where you need to match shadows, match lighting, match the whole look, and then do some compositing work on top of that. So now let's dig into what you might be winning if you are participating. So the first part is the modeling section, and we have amazing plugins from Eric Lehmann, who's a established artist in the community. He worked on several big shows, including Dune, First Man, Blade Runner, and the list goes on and on and on. So he is providing a few plugins for the winner of the modeling section, which is the UV kit, the renaming kit, and the build kit. So it's quite amazing stuff. So if you win, you will get this. For the surfacing, the second section, we will be providing also amazing texture sets from Johnny Fair, who has, I think, 150 textures in 8K resolution, which you will win if you win a surfacing section. And for the lighting and rendering stage, we are giving away a quick light plugin for Maya. This plugin helps you to place lights. You get 48 different HDRI light textures. It is really quite amazing for lighting artists to get quickly realistic lighting setups done. So let's talk about the judges. We have quite a few judges, which are all amazing people and who are very credible artists in the industry. So we do have Chris Prejean, who's a lighting surface artist. He's quite established. I guess most of you guys know him from his CG cinematography book, which the link is also below if you want to check it out. So he'll be helping me in the lighting surfacing sections. And then we have Michael Wilde, who's a Mari expert. He has done lots of tutorials on his YouTube channel as well, and he will be also taking care of the surfacing, texturing side. And then we have Peter Augustin, who I work with at Cinesite. He is also a quite big role in the industry. He's a texture lead, I believe, right now, and he also has his Meshman YouTube tutorial as well, as Michael has. Last but not least, we do have Andrew Hodgins for our modeling judge. He'll be looking at your model, so be sure to do an amazing job there. Andrew is a very talented senior hard surface modeler in the industry. He worked on all the big Hollywood blockbusters, and he has a very successful Twitch account, so check him out on Twitch. All the links of all the judges will be in the description below. So quite a big lineup of judges to judge your work, so I would highly appreciate it if you could join my Discord server below and have fun, participate in the challenge, get to know the community, get to know all the people on it. It's really fun, and I hope to see you there. So thanks for watching, and have fun.